So now let's look at conditional formatting. So what conditional formatting allows us to do is it allows us to change a cell based on a condition. It lets us format that cell based on a condition. So say, for example, we want to find all the scores that were lower than, let's say, 85. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the scores. I'm going to go up to Format, drop that down. I'm going to go down to Conditional Formatting. So it's saying apply to range D4 all the way through to F9. And we're going to say if this is lower than or less than, let's say less than 85. So we'll type in 85 here. And we're going to select a color. So say, let's do red background if the score is low. And then select done. And so now you can see that we've got formatting on these. So whenever a score drops below 85, it's going to be highlighted red and it'll call it out to our attention. So say if we change this score in cell E7 and we put 60, you can see that it automatically now formats that red based on the condition that we set. So to format stuff, we want to make sure that we select it and then we apply the formatting to it. So under the formatting tab, we can just look under here. You can see how we can format numbers so that they're displayed in different formats. We've got number, percent, scientific, accounting, financial. We also just have your basic formatting, like being able to bold text and italicize and underline and strike through. We've got our font sizes here, so we can change the sizes of our fonts. We also have our alignment, where we can change if we want left or center or right, top, middle, or bottom. We also have text wrapping, so that if text is flowing, and sometimes it will get cut off in a column if it's not wrapping. So this way you can wrap the text around, so you're not having to spread your columns out so wide. We also have text rotation, so there may be some cases where you want to have the text tilt up or tilt down, or you can stack it vertically or rotate up, rotate down. So you can do that there. We also have the conditional formatting, where you can format the cells based on different conditions. And then we also have alternating colors, and we have clear formatting. We also have some of those up in the menu bar right here. One of them that you don't see in that drop down is like the fill color and the borders. So if we wanted to put a border, we'd select, and we have these different borders that we can choose. If we wanted to put a fill color in, we could select where we want to add that fill color and come up here, and then we have a bunch of different colors that we can choose from. And if we wanted to change the font, we could go over here to font and drop that down. We have a number of different fonts that we can choose. So let's say if we wanted to change the decimal places in the assignments, we would select them. Then right here, we could decrease the decimal place, or we could increase the decimal place. So here we'll decrease it by clicking this twice. There you go. Those are some of the basic formatting options that you have in Google Sheets. Okay, so in this video, we looked at some of the basic formatting options available in Google Sheets, and we also looked at how to apply that formatting to a cell's content.
Make sure to check out our other videos in the series on using Google Sheets. Thank you.